Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. So yes, I am serving y'all face today. I decided to go on and, get myself a little dialed up. I said I might start doing this for all of my videos, kind of putting a little something on the face. And I wanted to show you guys my new frames. Tell me what y'all think. Get into it. Get into it. Mm, 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 mm. But what we're really here for is I got my Cocotique bag. So let's get into it. First things first, before I start, I want to give a big shout out to Curl Talk Honest Tea for reaching 100 subscribers on her channel. If you love subscription boxes, you definitely need to check out her channel. I will put the link in it. I'm going to take my glasses off, even though they are beautiful, but the ring light is showing in them. But if you love subscription boxes, you definitely need to check out Curl Talk Honest Tea's channel, because sis has all the subscription boxes. You hear me? Like, she is the subscription box queen. So check out her channel if you love subscription boxes the way that I do. Now let's get into this Cocotique bag. And so this month for September, it says Blessed Beyond Measure. And if you're not familiar with Cocotique, they are a monthly subscription service that you pay $25 a month. And they are a self-care subscription service for women of color. And the owner or the creator of Cocotique is a Black woman. So I absolutely love Cocotique. You won't hear me complain about them. Even if I do have something to complain about, I probably won't, just for the simple fact that I love them. So let's get into this bag, because we have a lot of stuff to get over. And like I said, the bag for this month is Blessed Beyond Measure. This is the card with the cutie on there. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I see in these Livezo like shampoo trial packets, and you have the shampoo for dry hair and scalp, you have a moisturizing conditioner for dry hair and scalp, and you have a moisturizing lotion for dry hair and scalp. And we got 2 of these. So this is typically 4 sizes run about $18, and Cocotique did give us a coupon code. So yeah, I might try them out. I don't know. I might try them out. I was thinking about keeping them just in case if I need to go somewhere and I'm traveling and I need to just throw some shampoo and conditioner in my bag. I'll have these. So I might keep those for that. Next, we have some stickers, and these are by Ebony Moon. It's All Good Hair Day sticker sheet. So a 4-size sheet is $5 for a 5x7 sheet. And these are hand-drawn stickers. And you see that we got all the hair types. They got the hair wrapped. So these are cute. That's cute. I might stick them on something. Next, we have some TheraFlu packets. Flu season is upon us. We are getting into the fall. I have a multi-symptom severe cold. I have sinus pain. And I have some multi-symptom severe cold for nighttime. Now, I'm going to be honest. I low-key am excited about these, honey. Like, we getting into that season. Corona is still among us. So I am happy with having these in my little arsenal of cold care, flu care things. Next, I have 3D False Mink Lashes by Sassy. And this is what they look like. It's a curved band for perfect fit. Lightweight, soft, flexible band. And that's what they are looking like. Now, I'm not really big on falsies, so I might give these away because I don't really wear lashes. But I didn't give the price for the TheraFlu because you can go like Don't nobody care about how much third food costs. But these lashes are, oh, they're $1. I didn't know lashes, well, I guess, yeah, because I've seen people buy lashes from the dollar store. I didn't know that they were that inexpensive. Like I said, I don't wear them. I hardly ever wear them. So that's it. And then we have the glue that goes with it as well. And the glue is $2.50, and this is a clear glue. I don't know. So this definitely, I got some more lashes down there. I got a couple of packs of lashes that I could be giving away. Next, I have the Glossier, and I've seen this brand, I want to say like on Instagram, and this is a cloud paint. It is a seamless cheek color in Dawn, and this is priced at $18. So this is what it's looking like. Let me go ahead and just gonna do a little dab on my hand to see what this looks like. I've never tried a cheek color. Oh, wait a minute now, that came out too much. I got some paper here. So that it came out really strong. This is really orange. And this like paint for real. This is kind of messy. So this is really orange, but I guess it kind of just melts into your skin. So I guess you, now that I have it on the paper, I guess you can kind of build on it. Can you see that? And that's what it's looking like. So I guess you put this on and you build on it, and it's like a blush. You could put this on your cheeks. So that's cool. I guess if you want, I don't know. I never tried an orange blush. Is this orange? Wait a minute. Let me get y'all. Oh, they don't tell the color. Dawn. That's the color. Dawn. So I'm just adding some more to my hand so y'all can really see it. This is new. This is new for me. I've never tried it. I like more peachy neutral blushes. So, but that's what that's looking like. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's kind of flat. So this would be great if you're doing like a very matte neutral look and you don't want, you know, too much of a shine on your face. This might be great. It's kind of interesting though, the way it works, but that is that. But I believe Glossier is known, this is kind of what they're known for, like a very sheer, very skin-like makeup from what I've seen. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Now we have the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, Conditioner, Face Wash. This is 2 ounces. So this is like a trial size. This is not a full size. And the full size is $18 for 6 ounces. And this is $9 for 2 ounces. So, okay. Does it say a pH balance daily cleanser with 5 skin conditions that won't leave your skin irritated or feeling tight? So that is that. That's pretty cool. Now, one more thing. Now next we have the Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh. I have the Cool Essentials. So that is that. And this is running for $5.99 and a stick is $4.89. This is a new advanced care anti-perspirant dry spray and stick. So that's that. And they, you know, I do say that Dove really comes through with Cocotique. So this is pretty good. I love Dove products. I use a lot of their body washes. So, and I use their deodorant sometimes. I have to switch because sometimes, you know, your girl gets a little strong. But we'll definitely try this Dove dry spray. And again, it's $5.99. Now let's get into some hair stuff because I got 2 more things and they are hair items. We have the Twisted Sister Intense Leave-In Conditioner with coconut, avocado, and alba oils. It hydrates, detangles, and block frizz. I got something else from Twisted Sister. Oh, it was that clarifying shampoo. And I ain't like it. I ain't care for it. So we're going to see what this do. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, which I believe is like your silicones, but don't quote me. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100%. But yeah, so this is 4 size, $8.99, and this is 12 fluid ounces. Let me see. Oh. Definitely smell the coconut. This is like stuff like this I think is good for summer months, you know, because you have that coconut and avocado and all those. I think these are great for summer months. It might be a little bit too intense for fall months. I'm going to, you know, put it with my stash. I probably won't use it right away, but I'm definitely going to give it a try. Now, the one thing that I am excited about and that I do want to use is the Parador Professional Apple Cider Vinegar Thin to Thick Shampoo with biotin, castor oil, and 15 DHT blockers. So this is that. This is a 4 size shampoo. It is 8 ounces. It's unisex for all hair types. And let me find it on here. So this 4 size is $11.99. Wait. Okay, so a 4 size 8 ounce is $11.99. Or you can get this in a 16 ounce for $18.99. I am excited about using this because I do have some thin areas in my hair, especially, well, not where my hair is shaved, but like along the sides where I get tapered. I do have some thin areas. So I definitely want to try this to see if it will help to kind of help those areas grow in. I'm also trying to get the top fuller, so I'm definitely going to use this. So here's what I'm going to do with this. I am going to try it and I'll record it. So I know I haven't been posting a lot of hair videos, and the reason for that is because when I cut that bleached hair out, I was like, I really don't have no hair, and I don't go out and buy a lot of hair products. Honestly, because of Cocotique, I don't buy hair products at all. I wait and see what they're going to send me. But I do want to start posting some more hair videos. So what I want to do is I'm definitely going to do a review with this. And if I like it, I'm going to try it for like 30 days to see if it actually works on my hair and see how it makes my hair, if it thickens it, if it helps it to grow or anything like that. So definitely stay tuned. We're definitely going to be trying this out. So that is that. I have another awesome, great Cocotique bag. Like I said, I don't be having no complaints with Cocotique. They are all right with me. I love the bags. I love everything that I get. I don't have any complaints. And if I did have a complaint, I wouldn't put it on here. I would email them and let them know what my grievances was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead, like, and subscribe. Here's the thing. I am at 184 subscribers. I would love to get to 200 and above. The ultimate goal is 1,000, but I would really love to just go over that 184 and get that 200. So if you love my content, if you love what I post, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your people. Help me get to 200. I guess I'll probably get to a point where I need to figure out a number, and then I'll maybe do a giveaway or do something to show my appreciation. But I honestly do appreciate everybody that watches my videos, who's been rocking with me. I love all of my good girlfriends and my good friends for the fellas. I love you all, and I really appreciate the community that I am building and growing. Another thing, I put the link in my description box, but if you do not know, I am a co-host of a podcast. It is called Two Chicks Talking Shit. We do girl talk, current events. We are hilarious together. It is me and my girl T. So I would love if you would check us out, and I will put that link below. Don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram, and bye.